According to research, Social Security will run out by 2037, so it's time to create a retirement fund to be kind to your future self. Using the 4% rule, if you retire at 65 with a portfolio of $1.5 million, and just wait if that seems like a lot right now, you will be able to live on $60,000 a year comfortably. Of course, this completely depends on your own lifestyle, whether you need to increase or decrease that number. Write down your overall retirement goal number. This will help with the goals below. If you're investing for other types of goals, be it a down payment for a house or vacation or for saving for college, then you can put that number as your goal as well. With your goal in mind, let's pick a perfect goal for 2024. Whether you're just starting your investing journey or you are a seasoned investor, these goals will help you focus and actually achieve the goals by the end of 2024. Goal number 1, invest $1,000 in a stock portfolio by the end of the year. If this is your first time investing, starting with a goal of $1,000 might be more reasonable for you to achieve. It's essentially about creating habits so you can be a lifelong investor. Compound interest is a huge factor in letting your money work for you. Let's use an example. If you're 20 years old and add $1,000 into your investing portfolio and just leave it there, without adding another dollar, not even $1, you will end up with $21,000 by the age of 65. This is simply from investing $1,000 only. So if this goal seems right for you, then all you have to do is invest $84 per month. It can even be automated. If you would like a very detailed explanation of how to build a very safe, low-cost index fund investing portfolio that you can put on autopilot, let me know in the comments below. I'll make another video. Goal number 2, invest 10% of your paycheck each week to your stock portfolio for the whole year. According to the richest man in Babylon, investing 10% of your wealth will create abundance for your future self. This helps create the mindset of paying yourself first. As the richest man in Babylon states, I found the road to wealth when I decided that a part of all I earned was mine to keep. It should be not less than a tenth. 10 commandments, hello. No matter how little you earn. It can be as much as you can afford. Pay yourself first. I actually love this because this actually shows how cash flow works and it goes with any type of budget that you have. Goal number 3, max out your Roth IRA by the end of the year. A Roth IRA is simply a retirement fund, but it has a lot of tax benefits. I can make another detailed video on that as well, but pretty much all you need to know is that $7,000 is the maximum that you can contribute for 2024. So to get this total, you will need to invest $584 a month or $146 a week. If you're thinking about living comfortably in retirement, this may be a great goal to have for the next 10, 20 years. Goal number 4, get a total of 12 shares of SPY by the end of the year. I see you. Okay, ticker symbol SPY, SPY, is the S&P 500, which basically means it is the 500 top US companies in the world. Think of Google, think of Amazon, and that can all be in one bundle for you to invest in. This should be the foundation of your portfolio if you're looking for a safe long-term investing strategy. If your target goal is $1.5 million for retirement, you will need to reverse engineer your math, which is just a fancy way of saying we need to work our finances backwards depending on your age and budget. For example, if you invest in a low-cost index fund or ETF like ticker symbol SPY with an average increase of 7% per year, this is including inflation, if you want to retire at 65 and you are 20 years old, you need to invest $450 per month, which is almost equivalent to 1 share of SPY. If you are 30 years old, you need to invest $950 or 2 shares of SPY to retire at 65. And if you are 40 years old, you need to invest $2,000 or 4 shares of SPY a month to retire at 65. I absolutely love this strategy because it takes all of the money and scary money goals out of the equation and just turns it into a fun game. Instead of focusing on the dollar signs, we focus on the value of building long-term wealth. A lot of people tend to not know where to start when it comes in terms to investing. And let me tell you, yeah, it is a little bit crazy and it's a little bit confusing. But what I would say is to get a Fidelity account. That's the one that I use. No, I don't have a link in the description. It's just literally the best one besides Vanguard. Like, you can't go wrong with Fidelity, you can't go wrong with Vanguard. And if you would like me to do any tutorials on Fidelity, I just realized that they had a dividend portfolio, and it's so easy to sell covered calls with them. And I just absolutely love their interface and love how attentive they are. So I would highly recommend, again, not sponsored. Again, there's 0 affiliate links. I really like Fidelity, and I forgot to tell you guys about that. So love ya.